Mr. J. Hello. Today we're talking about cheating at Yonsei University here in South Korea. Today's November 11th, right? Tuesday, November 11th, 2025. And so November 11th is an important day. Why? Do you know? It's not because of some sort of a cookie or something. November 11th is Remembrance Day in many countries, or Veterans Day in the US, right? It's a time to remember fallen soldiers, right? June 6th is the same in South Korea, but in most parts of the world, it's on November 11th. So today, it's important to remember soldiers and their sacrifices. Okay? All right, so today's news, the cheating part is bad, but because of the cheating, they're going to do something. So maybe that's debatable. Anyways, let's go into our word list, okay? Hearing, cheating, prestigious, forum, implications, requirements, admitted, investigation, incident, and awareness. Yonsei University is planning a public major hearing on artificial intelligence ethics after a large-scale cheating scandal involving AI tools like ChatGPT. The Seoul-based institution, one of South Korea's most prestigious universities, said its Institute for AI and Social Innovation will lead the forum, which will include both students and staff. The event will explore the implications of AI in education, especially as online classes and exams become more common. The scandal occurred during a midterm exam for a natural language processing course on October 15th, when dozens of students allegedly used AI to bypass exam monitoring requirements by adjusting their cameras and screens. Around 40 students have already admitted to misconduct, while others remain under investigation. The university sees this incident as a chance to promote deeper awareness of academic ethics and how AI should be responsibly used in future education. So, yeah, I think that's important to talk about too, but cheating's not good. What is Yonsei University planning to hold after the cheating scandal? This is our intermediate level, so these are all incorrect. You must think of the correct one, please. What's the correct answer? Which AI tool was reportedly used by students during the exam? What subject was the midterm exam for? How did students allegedly avoid detection during the exam? And what is the university's main goal in holding the forum? Okay, today's name is Grace. Not Grace. Sorry, I'm thinking of another. Sorry, Lily. She looks graceful, so I said Grace. No, Lily, L-I-L-Y, Lily. All right, so not the boy, the girl. Her name is Lily. And here's a lily, right? We've done this before because lily has several meanings. All right, lily, a popular female name from the flower lily, right? It symbolizes purity, innocence, and beauty. And then non-name, meaning the flower, right? A type of tall flower with large, beautiful petals, often white or pink. I think Easter is a time when you can see lots of lilies, at least in Canada. Here we have the spelling on the left and the pronunciation. There's 2 syllables. Be careful. Let's practice. Lil, e. Lily, stress on the first syllable. Lily. Don't say Lily. No, not Lily. Lily. Do you hear the difference? Lily. All right, Lily helped her younger brother with his homework after school, and the white lily in the garden bloomed beautifully this morning. Weather for tomorrow, Wednesday, November 12th, 2025. Seoul, South Korea, high of 18, a low of 6, and it will be sunny. Sunny, okay. Mumbai, India, high of 32, a low of 21, and it will be sunny. And Mexico City, Mexico, high of 26, a high of 23, a low of 6, and partly sunny. Okay? All right, guys, I hope you have a great one. Remember those soldiers, all right, who have sacrificed themselves for all of us here in the world today. And I'll see all of you guys next time. Bye-bye.